Hyundae DL Company Limited specializes in producing high-quality, mechanical, door locks for residential and commercial buildings. With advanced design expertise, experienced engineers, and a state-of-the-art manufacturing system, we offer a wide range of door lock products that cater to the diverse needs of our customers. Our portfolio includes cylindrical locks, lever locks, mortise locks, tubular locks, auxiliary locks, and more, establishing us as a leader in the market. In addition to locks, we manufacture a variety of related hardware products, such as hinges, door closers, door stoppers, and other door and window accessories, expanding our offerings to meet various security needs. Our flagship products are lever locks and knob locks. We are proud to be the first in the Korean door lock industry to obtain NC Grade 1 and Grade 2 certifications, as well as UL safety certifications for the North American market. These products are renowned for their exceptional value and are consistently favored in markets worldwide. Our lever locks and knob locks are engineered to meet the rigorous standards of the ANSI 400,000 cycle test and the Grade 1 lock standard of 1 million cycles. Additionally, all our Grade 1 and Grade 2 products are designed to withstand high temperatures, meeting the 3R UL fire resistance standard. We offer flexible products designed to accommodate a wide range of door thicknesses, from 35 mm to 52 mm, ensuring versatility and ease of installation. Our products are also highly praised for their refined materials and stylish designs, reflecting the diverse tastes of modern consumers.